Imagine having this park as an extension of your own backyard. Today we are at Princess Del Cerro Park, walking distance to our new listing.
Aside from the proximity to this awesome park, we've got top-rated schools, windmill farms, Einstein bagels, and so much more. Come on, Carrie, let's swing on over. Welcome to 6218 Snowbond Street. This move-in ready single-story home offers 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with a bright open floor plan. The updated modern kitchen features a breakfast bar and flows perfectly into the main living space. Beautiful hardwood floors run throughout, and the spacious backyard with mature fruit trees such as a Washington navel orange is perfect for entertaining or simply relaxing at home. Okay, the search is over. If you've been looking for a great home in Del Cerro, convenience, location, unbeatable price, come check this one out.
Carrie and Julie with Coldwell Banker West. Call us today. Bye.